Welcome to our MojoFlex mini-series. My name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead here at Mojo Media Labs, and today we're going to be talking about the 1 through 4 column modules. You'll notice on the left-hand side we've got a large listing of modules here. We're going to go ahead and grab the 1 column and drag that on over. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select this module by clicking on it. You'll notice on the left-hand side several categories pop up. We've got background options, spacing options, animation options. You can content alignment for mobile, content alignment for desktop, and then we've got your text editor. Let's go ahead and start off with the background options. Under the background options, we've got several settings that we can choose from. Up at the top, we've got background video checkbox. Let's go ahead and check that. You can upload an MP4 video. You can choose a WebM video, and then below that you can choose a background image. Add a parallax effect, background gradient, a background color. You can also apply white content if you have a dark background. And then lastly, you can choose a background shader. If you have an image that you need a color over top so that your content can be readable, this is an option for that. Spacing options. Here you're going to be able to control the vertical spacing, your container width, and also your content width. Underneath the vertical spacing, we've got several options to choose from small, regular, extra, bottom spacing only, extra bottom spacing only, no spacing, and then custom spacing. Underneath the custom spacing of the vertical spacing option, you'll be able to adjust the top and bottom padding for mobile only, along with top and bottom padding for desktop only. Underneath the container width, you can set it to small 900 pixels, medium 1200 pixels, or go full fluid. Under the content width, you can choose from several different percentages, full, 30%, all the way to 80%. So one of the great things with the MojoFlex theme is the ability to jazz up your content by using animation options. Some of the animation effects that we apply to the modules are, you can use fading effects, you can add sliding effects, and then lastly you can add flipping effects. Now that we've gone through the main options of the module, I'd like to show you the rich text editor. Let's go ahead and copy some dummy text in here. You'll notice that this is automatically set to paragraph copy. This option here you can choose from paragraph to your headings 1 through 6. You can also choose a block quote, div, and pre. You'll notice that we have the bold, italicize, underline. We've got the link options. Under the insert, this is where you're going to be able to insert an image, an emoji, call to action. You can embed code. You can also do video and several others. The advanced tab is where you're going to find the source code. This is where you can apply custom styling. You'll notice that we have a more tab. This is other styling to your content. So you can apply your text color. You can do a background color, align, bulleted lists, numbered lists, your font size, your font type, line height, your indents. You can clear the styles, strike through, you can superscript, you can subscript, and then we've got code format. The 2 column has the exact same options as your 1 column, except with some additional features. Once you've applied the module to your content editor, you'll notice that within the spacing options, some new features get applied. Column width, 50-50 split by default. You can also split the columns from 30-70 all the way to 70-30. A new feature called vertical content alignment will appear. From top alignment, center alignment, and bottom alignment. You can also reverse the order for mobile. So if you have an image on the right side, you can flip that to be on the top, or vice versa. You'll also notice as you scroll down under the content alignment options that you'll see 3 rich text editors. We've got top content, column 1, and then column 2. As you can see on the right, I've demonstrated what these columns are. So this is the top content, column 1, and then we've got column 2. The 3-column content module has the exact same settings as the 1-column and the 2-column modules. The only differences between these are the animation options. Here you can control the top content, the left column, middle column, and the right column. You'll notice below that we've got 4 rich text editors. So the first one is the top content, which shown on the right side, 3-column top content titles. And then we've got the column 1, we've got column 2, and then we've got column 3. The 4-column content module has the exact same settings as the 1, 2, and 3-column modules. The only difference is that this has an additional column. Now that we've reviewed the 1 through 4-column modules, you can go ahead and apply this to your new website. My name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead here at Mojo Media Labs, and thank you for watching.